If you are a creator, coach, or expert and want to create a dedicated community for your audience, then in this video I'm going to give you a tool with the help of you can do that. And here's the best part, it has so many crazy features that I'm really excited to talk about. So after trying its feature and experiencing the platform, I thought why not give it a try here and let me create a video on this so my audience also can know about this amazing tool. So this is the Voilo.com and this is really a good tool. All you have to just get started on this platform, and after that it is going to help you how you are going to create your community. You have to just follow these steps here, like complete your profile, then customize your community, add your first post. You have to just share the community with your audience, and after that they are going to just onboard the community platform here and start getting interact with each other. Best part, you can also create the multiple forums here, like I have created this here, and in this forum here I can start posting the post, I can start sharing my thoughts, all those stuff here. I can also customize it, like adding the name of the community, adding the cover. Let me do that simply. You have to just click here, choose any of the images. Let me choose this one here, okay, and after that you can see that's how it is going to show or look like the community cover. I can also add the here the title, like this is going to be the SaaS tools, so I'm going to name it SaaS tools, okay. And now that's how my community is built. Simply click here on the post, and now okay, the content can't be the empty here. So let me see what are the things. I can click here on the plus icon, nothing is happening. Freelancing or post, let me see, save to draft. So right now I have just saved it in the draft here. Then there are also some things available, like you want to chat with your community, so you can do it. Like I can create the chat threads, but if you haven't created, you have to simply go to this chat function, and here you can see this is all the chats option available where people can start interacting with each other. This is the thread, and if you want to directly interact with any member or the community people here, just click here, and now you can click on the plus icon, select that people and start interacting, okay. So it has so many features that I should little bit take a time to give you a detailed walkthrough or the review on it. So please stay tuned to the video and I will explore all the features. So let me talk about getting started, and you have to get started with the basics. You have to first complete your profile, so let me do that again. So here you have to add your name and the username and the about section, and this is basically your admin profile here. So change, and now you can see it will be start appearing here. Then it has the also customize your community, so let me customize the community, and here you have to add the logo for your community. Like you can see here, this is the logo I am talking about. You can select the community details, like you can add, let me add it here. This is the SaaS Guru community by me. This is the description. Here I can add the custom cover page, and once I click here on the save changes, it is done. Same thing I can do with the favicon or the logo or the theme. It has so many default colors available. Let me change with my prime brand color. So I have selected this color here and click on the apply changes, and now my community brand color is the changer. This is really simple process. I liked it so much. Then it has some also the features available, like let me go to the back to the community, and you can see these are all the features you can see right now, like forum, chat, courses, events, and more of parts. So how you can just customize and rearrange it. So let me show you that. So I have told you that in the customization section here you can see, let me go to the basics, customize, and this is the thing you can do it from here, this edit features. Let me click here, and now you can see I can make it appear top or end. So first I want to give the forum, then after that I want to give the chat, courses, events, store, and the collection. So everything done really good here. Now that is the how you have customized and built your community. This is the, I think around 20 or 30 seconds to creating it, okay. So that's how simple it is. Now let me see what is the other thing, that is the creating your first post. So we will go to the create, okay. I think I have to click here, and here I can create the posts. So select, open here, okay, selected, okay. So right now I think I have made a mistake. No worries, I can do that. I have also created a forum here. I will show you how you can add more forums, but let me tell you how you can create the post right now. So this is the freelancing, and if I click here on the plus icon, it is loading. So now I can add the title. So hey everyone. Okay, now I can add the cover. So by default I am adding any of these images, so I can show you instantly. Next, done. Okay, now I can start adding my posters here. Hi everyone, how are you? So this is how I have added the post. Now let me click on the post and the post is done. So that's how simple and pretty easy. And now you can see this is my first post looking like in the community under this freelancing form. Okay, so if I go to the forums, if I go to the freelancing, here I can see this is my first post. Okay, so now let me show you how you can add these forums here. So you can see in the build section, if I click here on the setup channels in the form, let me click here on the setup, and now you can see I have these two forums right now. So if I want to add more, I have to click over on the add and simply add the name. So I'm going to make it the demo, so I can show you this is your channel form name. Then what kind of the post you want to type, like it can be your detail like I have showed you right now. But if you want to just simply add the short kind of the post, it by default it will be selected. Then after that, this is the layout. I will go with the compact view. Then what kind of the content you want to be posted in this form, so you can select all these. And simply if you want to make this form visible, public, private or restricted, or this is the other interaction options available, you have to select them. Then after that, click here on this save changes, and now your form is created. So let me back to the community, go to the form, and here you can see this is the demo form created. So that's how simple it is. Now let's see what are the other things available in the monetize. Here the best part, you can also earn money with your community. If you want to add the courses, events, or you want to sell the digital product like your ebook or the videos or the some premium stuff, you can do that. This store option available here. If I go to this store option here, click over on the plus icon, and now you can see you can add your product name. It can be your ebook. Let me add. Then after that, product description, the gallery, the link, okay, and the pricing you can add, or you want to make it simple, you can do it here. So let me go with the paid version. So I will click here. So before that, it is asking me to connect with my payment gateway to accept the payment. So let me do that. So simply click here, connect, and there are two ways to accept payments. First is the Stripe and second is the Razorpay. So you can select any of these one. So simply select the Razorpay for me. Let me click here on the connected. Here I have to add all these information that is asked, simply adding my bank details, and after that this payment gateway will be the connected, and now I am ready to sell out my premium stuff here. Okay, so I have showed you that stuff as well. Now let me talk about the other things. Okay, like you want to build this some things like the custom chat threads. I have showed you how you can set up the channels in the forms, but how you can create the threads talking about specific specific topic or your category about. Okay, so let me click here on the thread. So I will name it about a community talking about the SaaS tools. So I have added the name this chat thread, and I have selected the visibility to public, and you can see whether I want people to interact this chat thread or not, or only view the chats. Then I can enable it. Let me click here on the create, and now this chat thread is created. So let me back to the community. Let's go to the chat, and now you can see this is the available. So I can start chatting. Oh, hi people. Now you can see. So that's pretty much more easy. Now let me tell you how you can add your courses. So how you want to sell out your courses here, you can also do that. This is the courses function available. Okay, so you have to go to the courses, and here you can see there are some options available, like this is for the admin. Okay, these are the community tools available only for the admins here. So we have to click here on this plus icon to add the course. First it is going to ask the course cover. So again I am going to go with any of the images to give you a demo. Then what is the course name? So I'm going to make it something like the Freelancing 101 course. Okay, then review video. If you have any video, you can upload it. This is the language. You want to add the FAQ, you can do that. Add the courses. Okay, about the course, sorry. So simply click here on the plus icon and start typing what this course about and all this stuff. Then you want to make it the exclusive access or any kind of the anyone can join, you can make it here. Visibility, free or paid. I am going to go with the free. Let's click on the continue. Okay, I have to add the course name. I have already done that, so why it is asking me again the name? So let's see. Let me add some random words. Click here on the please enter course name. I have added this course name, so why it is asking again? Okay, sorry, this course name, it is going to be here. This is the description. Okay, so this is short description. I'm adding some random words to show you how things work out. Then click here on the continue, and now my course is done. Now I only have to add the course stuff, course content, like the lessons, subtopics, chapters here. So I'm going to make it chapter 1. Create. Now in the chapter, you can see I have to add the lessons. So this is the lesson 1. Let me click here, and in the clicking on this edit icon, I can add the my content in the lessons. Like this is the video and this is the my content. I can add it here. If I see, this is how it is done. Now let me click here on the save, and now my lesson 1 is done. I want to add a new chapter. Simply again, this is the chapter 2, and with the same process I have showed you right now, you can add the more lessons. So that's how you have added or created your first course. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, now let me show you what are the other steps you can also add and sell out within your community. First, I have showed you with the courses, but you can also add the events. Okay, it can be your live webinar, it can be your any certain date webinar or event you want to do. Okay, then we have also the other step, like you want to sell out the membership. It is going to be premium membership you can sell out or you can create among your community here. Okay, then we have the collections. Here in the collections you can add the stuff. Okay, so this is the thing you can create within the folders as well. So these are the some of the prime features I have showed you right now, but there are also the some more few stuff available. Okay, so if you want more information about it, what I suggest, go to its Vilo community. Here you can get the more detailed information about this platform. What are the new features they have launched this week, what are the information. They have also the really good community in the resources. Here you can see the community building reads community resources. Let me go to the explore, and here you can find out the detailed information. Okay, then if I go to the field section, and here you can see their roadmap. You can check it out what they have pinned and there in roadmap, which we can see in the upcoming future. If you want to talk about and see the people in this community, you have to go to this use cases, and they will show you how you can use the community platform for your audience and build a community that is going to help you grow in your business, in your personal or professional field as well. Okay, so this is the Vilo platform I have showed you, and in the really quick video I have talked about its features and my experience, how the things work out. The platform is super easy. Once you get started and play with its features, it is going to be a really helpful to access and create the things or community you can share with your audience. Now let me talk about its pricing, how much you are going to pay to access its features. So this is the official platform, and if I go to the pricing, it is starting from this $50 a month, and you can also get the 14 days trial. And this is all the features you are going to get in the community I have showed you right now. And don't worry, because in their yearly plan you can get the 30% extra discount. If I go to the yearly, you can see you have to pay around something like the 10 months pricing to get the 12 months access here. Okay, so if you want to check it out, this platform, the real link will be given in the description. Plus let me also tell you about this tool. This is right now rated as the number 3 product on the product hunt. Let me go to the simply on the product hunt, and let me show you all the reviews, and right now how many followers it has right now. You can see it got more than 40 plus reviews here on. Let me show you. This is the Vilo, this is the recent launches, all this stuff. You can read about the people, what they are talking about this tool here. So if you want to check it out, the deal, the link will be in the description. That's all for today's video I want to talk about. If you are searching a really good tool to start your audience, building the community, then I think you can give it a try while you're here. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.